Hello everyone, this is Trisha and I'm with my auntie. So we made a vlog about to inspire people to work hard to make a better place and comfortable life. So thank you for my mom and dad for working really hard to give us this better place. So here I'm gonna show you our pictures when we graduated with honors, graduate with my sister, brother, and I. So this is my graduation when I won a first princess in Miss Bacnar to our school. Uh, yan, and to the bears. So this is our light. Wait, I'm gonna open it. Sometimes lang po namin yung ina-open because we like warm. Yan. This is our dining area. Sabay-sabay kami dyan kumakain. So, here we shop it sa Shopee. My mom bought it. And this is our sofa. This where we rest when we feel tired and cause cold dito sa bandang area. So, we really here, we really love here. And there's our refrigerator. We bought it since 2018 pa ata or 2020. Yeah, wala pa masyado kaming groceries kasi hindi pa kami nag-grocery. And these are wine bar, but we prefer here magko-coffee kami. We love it so much. My mom give this idea, and this is where I really love about is our kitchen. So, dito yung kitchen namin. Dito rin nakalagay yung mga pantry namin, mga foods. So, di pa nga kami nag-grocery kaya medyo onti pa yung mga stocks ng food namin. But, siguro mamaya. And here's our piniprepare na namin yung fish para sa lunch namin mamaya. And, ano pa ba? Here's our mga, nakalagay dito yung mga soap, mga et cetera. And here naman is, oh, this is ate. Dito. Here is our comfort rooms or CR. Wait, I'm gonna open the lights so you can see. So there's shower and they put a mirror kasi, yeah, we love that. And here's our, door in CR. It's glass actually and have design on it. And here are this is my dad's rest place. Dito siya nagpapahinga when umuwi siya rito and his makina when may nare-repair siyang mga clothes. And this plant, it's not real actually, it's plastic. And here's we do our laundry here. Yan. And there's bodega actually here sa right in front. Yeah, sa mga abobot namin dyan. And I'm gonna show you our living area. Wait, I'm gonna open the lights. Dito namin pinapop po yung mga guests if meron man. And meron kami ditong TV. So, we watch YouTube or Netflix. And may PLDT. And there's Cortina. Matagal na yun sa amin. Oh, here's our picture when he graduate ata when he was grade 6. And here's grade 1, or kinder actually. And when I was kinder. So, yan. And this where our terrace. Diyan kami tumatambay kasi malamig talaga dito. Actually, wala masyadong mga neighbors kaya tahimik talaga yung place namin. And dito rin namin, Santo Niño. Yan. And here's my room. Yeah. Hindi pa naman nagawa yung house kaya ganito talaga yung room ko. So, here's my bed. And this is my study table. I bought it in TikTok. And this is my mga abubot for my face. This is my makeups. And this is my books. There's a lot of it because I really love reading. And here's my mga recognitions when I present Rosa Mystica sa church. This is when I won a I first princess in Miss Bacnar. This is I got this recognition
Wow.
when I was grade 9, and this is also is when I present Miss Bacnar. So yan, this is my room. That's all. And here naman, I'm gonna tour you in my three siblings room. Yeah, the first bed na yan. Diyan naman yung two sisters ko. And sa upper naman is where's my brother sleep. And here naman when my ate graduate when she was grade 10. And there's last picture. So yan, cabinet lang. So, yun lang. Ano pa ba? Pag ganito yung view, when kita nyo, yun lang ba? Yan ko na. So, thank you for watching. Hope you inspire to my video. Bye!